Very good evening, everyone. For today's Excel training, I will be teaching you people on how to use the if functions in Excel to check the actual versus the budget amount that has been claimed by your staff. All right. So basically, you can see here, this is a spreadsheet that you have, and an example of the names of the staffs you have, and the category here would be just a simulations of what are the categories that usually they claim for. Would be on the airfare, entertainment, food. Okay. So basically, usually there will be a budget that has been given by the company. This is just a simulated version only. It's not an actual data uh, that my company is currently using. All right. So basically, these are some of the claims that they have actually put it in. For example, the actual claims for the airfare, and then we wanted to check and see whether the budgeted that has been given by the company and also the actual that has been claimed by the staff. So basically, the condition of the if statement here is that we want to check whether is it within the budget or not within the budget. So what it goes here is that if actual amount that the staff claim is less than the budget that has been given by the company, it is within budget. If the actual is greater than the budget, meaning that it is not within the budget. So the formula of the if statement here, we can put under the status here, we just put in equals if function, and then from here itself, you can see that logical test here. Logical test here is that we wanted to have the condition. This condition here is that we need to use the actual. So it's going to be an E4. Okay. If the actual is less, then the budget would be on D4. Okay. Comma. Okay. It would be within budget. So you just put two quotes here, within budget. All right. Else, it's going to be not within budget. Put the two quotes again, not within budget. Meaning that if the actual is more than the budget being given by the company, means that it's not within the budget. So you press enter. Okay, you can see, and then we want to copy the formulas down. All right, we just go to the bottom right here. When the plus sign appears here, just double click. All right, so just do a comparison. Okay, 500, the actual, less than the budget, so it's within the budget. The second one, 250, is less than the budget of 350, is within budget. And then the third one, okay, 1005, it's more than the budget given by the company, so it's not within the budget. All right, so from here itself, you can actually use the filtering. Okay, you can use the filtering here, and then filter, and then you can just check not within budget. Okay, then you can call the respective staff that you have here. Why is that they did not follow the budgeted amount that the company is given to them? All right, another way of finding it would be putting it in a color code. Okay, what you can do here is that, okay, from here you highlight all, and then click on the home here under conditioning formatting, and then highlight cell rules here. All right, then you can put here text that contain not within budget. So you can select what color that you want to put it in. You can either put it as a red text or you can put it custom format, then fill it up with red color. All right, and click OK. Then you can see there are 4 not within the budget, and then you can call the respective staff accordingly and inquire about why they have actually spent more than the budget that has been given to them. All right. I hope this if statement and using the filter to select the list of not within the budget and also putting the conditioning format of the color coding is able to simplify your Excel work accordingly while you're working in your office. I hope this helps, and if you like my training, do subscribe to it. Thank you very much and have a good day ahead. Bye bye.